So in this video, I'm just bought a Hydrostar DrainMonster from Harbor Freight, and what I'm doing is I'm showing you, for the most part, how to unkink the line. So as you see here, how that line started to kink. Well, what you want to do, you want to pull back up on the line, all right, and then as it continues to essentially straighten out, you want to push, essentially just give it just more, just guide it down into the down into your line there. So as it's kinking again, it's more than likely probably hitting something. It could be hitting a clog, it could be could be hitting a T, it could be hitting anything, right? So how you want to kind of push, you don't want to try to muscle through that. You want to make sure that that line is pretty much always has just a little bit of slack, and you're just, again, guiding it into that into your drain. So it's also important too, if you notice my hands aren't closed on that, I'm definitely not wearing the proper gloves. There's definitely better gloves to be wearing, but here I'm just guiding it. You don't want to close your hand on that, for the simple fact of that line will essentially come up on your gloves. I'm going to speed it up a little bit and kind of show you, but this is the best way that I use any sort of drain snake. As you can see here, those are flushable wipes. Fun, right? So it's definitely doing its job. That's what you want to have happen. But yes, those are flushable wipes. So that this was a fun job, for me, a fun smelling job, at that. Tell all my tenants not to use flushable wipes, but here we are. But I tell you what, I'd rather be pulling out flushable wipes than tree roots. So flushable wipes, fine. No tree roots. That's definitely a very good sign. But again, I'm just kind of guiding that into the hole, just making sure that it's going where it should. Again, pulling it back again. Got another flushable wipe. So these are very common. I definitely recommend don't flush flushable wipes. Don't even use them, because this is what happens in your drain lines. Trust me, take it from me. I know for sure that's the problem you're gonna run into. But yeah, for the most part, pretty easy. Here's the end of the line. It did what it should do. Also, another side note, I would definitely use your foot and not your knee, just because your foot, you can kind of take it off the line. But that is pretty much it. So thanks for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe for more videos like this.